Introducing the 2025 SEAT ARONA 1.0TSI 95B horsepower SE Plus in stunning blue. This 5-door beauty is equipped with all the features you could ever need, from air conditioning to satellite navigation to lane departure warning. With only 11 kilometers on the clock, you'll feel like you're driving a brand new car. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. And with roof rails for added style and convenience, this car has it all. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this amazing vehicle.